Ready, Michael.
Are you ready?
Missed the first crash. Now he's going for part 2.
Okay, Michael. First one is Are you okay? Oh yeah. Hey, I do want to commend you.
You're back.
You got a much farther flight this time. Yeah. You went at it with a little more speed.
You okay, buddy?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. I really bit my tongue though.
Your tongue?
Yeah.
Let me see. Side a little bit, yeah.
That's why I've always thought about having a mouthpiece.
Mouth guard.
Let's